This Made Media Magazine. This video right here is about Chicago's old block Munna Duke. This is the 911 scanner. I need everybody to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed to my channel. This Made Media Magazine. Shout out to Trenches News. Make sure you get the hottest book out, How I Survived Chicago Drill, directly from Swipe on IG and Marie37. Or get on Amazon.com, but get the hottest book out, Trenches News, How I Survived Chicago Drill. Shout out to the Mod Squad. I'm out.
In the 24th District, Broadway and Rosemont and Broadway. Caller says a male shot in the back. Offenders ran away. Caller says that the shooting was at the club Pork Chop.
If you want to support me, make sure you go ahead and Marie37 in her inbox if you want a signed copy of my book, man.